Philippines? Is it just going to one destination, or are they like region hopping, destination hopping?
Thank you, Zach. So we've noticed significant trend in terms of tourists from, especially from Europe. When they come to the Philippines, they don't just go to one destinations anymore. So they just hop around. Let's say and what we've noticed, medyo nag-iba yung trend because some of the unexplored area of our country
The far-flung talaga.
is parang they're more interested in those different experience. Of course, they still come to the most famous beaches, so famous. But like the secretary mentioned also, they don't just come here for those anymore because we promoted significantly the food tourism and actually even sports tourism, medical tourism. So we've seen a lot of changes in terms of that. I think it's a good job also of the whole country really promoting the Philippines as a whole. And yeah, so
Part of their experience.